What's up, viewers, subscribers? I appreciate the support again. The other day, me and Shanika, we did 2 cake. I'm going to tell you, the cake did really turn out good. So now, we decided we're going to bake a pudding. Yes, cornmeal pudding. We put the butter and we're going to put it in the microwave and make it melt. So now, the Lasco milk powder, we're going to throw in the water. So I'm going to put that on the fire and make it boil up. So now we have the flour, the coconut, and the cornmeal, and we're going to mix it together. And we're also going to mix rose water, almond, and vanilla as well. So all that I'm going to mix up. So go and enjoy my video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, man, now. Any man come me way, I feel come good. Checklist the right file, I feel up. Yeah, understood. Me not drop me standard for nobody hype. If you not reach, then step out of sight. Me build myself, me solid, me strong. So any man step off, you right, not wrong. Me not deal with no lazy boy. Pocket empty, full and nice. Talk cheap, me not impress. Step correct or get dismissed. Cause me love attention, but it have to clean. No broke energy, me want big dreams. Me not deal with halfway thing. Me want full package, everything. Me ting off you up from me head to me toe. If you're not qualified, better take it slow. Me not beg no love, me not chase no man. If you're serious, then prove your plan. No fi hustle, check 6 digits high, check. No fi romance, check. Loyalty up, check. Respect up, check. No fakeness, check. Realness up, check. Check. Me not smile up with no pretend. Me see through them fake from beginning to end. Talk is cheap, me watch how you move. Me rate action, that I fi prove. Action talk louder than every word. Me not move off of things me heard. Me want stability, mind secure. Not just hype what can't endure. If you're strong, then step come near. If you're serious, bring something strong. Me independent, me stand alone. Me not low, and me work fi fit in. If you're not ready, don't even begin. Me life clean, me energy high. So me not deal with no waste man vibe. Cause me love attention, me ting off up. If you're not real, me not link, me cut. No fi hustle, check 6 digits high, check. No fi romance and check. Loyalty up, check. Respect up, check. No fakeness, check. Realness up, check. Give me know me work, me not settle low. Anywhere me step, me flow. If you can't match, just let it go.
Cornmeal pudding ready, you know, my viewers and my subscribers. So I start cut it up, give some of them to my family member. It was late, so we just go hold some sleep. In the morning now, I say I carry a slice with me. And I tell you, say the pudding nice. The whole day I tell you, say my belly full. Yeah, man. So please, thanks, like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get all of my videos. Bless you.
No fakeness, check. Realness up, check. Yeah. I feel up. No.